I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over.
Look at that boy. Look at that belly. Have you ever seen such a handsome belly? He says, look at my tuxedo. He says, I got a tie. I even have it tied nice. Yeah. He said, guys, I just needed a little mama time. I just needed some mama tummy time. Yeah. Hold on. He said, I just needed some mommy time. He said, guy says I'm a good boy. I'm the goodest boy. There ain't no Sammy as good as this Sammy. Yeah, he's the goodest boy. Hey, boy. Where's my kisser, boy? Well, you ain't gotta go quite up my nose. Yeah. See, he's got him a handsome tie. He's got a handsome. He had to sneeze, guys. Says, oh, he had to sneezy. He says, okay, that's enough. That's enough. Enough tisses. Enough tummy rubs. Now he's off to do something else.
Okay, so I got some belly rubbing time, and this week my church has been reading the Bible together. I'll be honest, I read the New Testament. I haven't been doing Old Testament. I have a hard time with Psalms. So week 24, and this week it's Thessalonians 2 and 3, and then Timothy 1, 2, and 3. Well, today's Monday, so I'm going to do, 2 Thessalonians. So I'm going to do I'm going to do the 2 Thessalonians 2 and 3. Oh, the World Cup. I hope I remember to say, yeah, I'm on 2, the man of lawlessness. And stand firm, that's the topic. And then also, for 3, it is pray for us, warning against irresponsible behavior, and a final greeting. Anyway, so the world, I have been having the best time on TikTok. I do TikTok. I know there's other social medias out there. But I shouldn't say I do. I have Instagram. It's my name, I think. But I love TikTok, and I have fallen down the rabbit hole. All the people that are from other countries, Europe and whatever, they're coming to America, and they all go into Walmart. It is the best. It's in Costco. Oh my gosh. They had one person went to Costco, and he was just like so dumbfounded. One guy was like, walked in and picked up a gallon thing of tea. And he was like, tea. And another one, he was like, 3 liters of mayonnaise. Which, they use that in the schools and stuff too. But, and people who have big families might need that size. But anyway, that's been such a fun little thing to watch the people from other countries come to America and our gluttonous, our gluttony aisles. All right, I got to read. Bye. I don't know why, but I slept good last night. Who doggies? I don't know. I ate my frozen gelatin before bed. I don't know. But I didn't wake up and go to the bathroom a whole bunch of times. So anyway, I don't know. Everything else is the same as far as I know. What do I know? I know today is Tuesday. I've got my new church coffee cup, that side, and that size. That's the roots. So we need to be deeply rooted in Jesus so that we can produce fruit and share with other people. It's supposed to be dishwasher safe. I think this one was too. But I'm starting to get a little bit of, I'm going to dump this on me. Starting to get a little peeling under there. But that's all right. I'm going to use it anyway. What do I know? I don't know nothing. Oh, it's supposed to be thunderstorms today. Again. Anybody else tired of that? I know I am. I know poor Callie is. I didn't drug her because it's like a 50% chance. And, I'm not doing that to her. I got a, I usually in the mornings, there was a couple products I was using. So I decided to put it in one container, and I did, But now when I do this, it all kind of gums up like in patches and pieces. So I've this morning after I dried my hair, I'm like, what is that? So I had to pull, looks like lint, but it's not, it's a hair product. So I squeezed it out and rinsed it out. So tomorrow I'll try a different combo. I don't even remember what I put in there, to be honest. I just put stuff together. I'm a gommer. Anybody else a gommer? I love to gom. Oh my goodness, I love to gom. I love mixing things, and like my coffee syrups at work. I had 3 different flavors. I think it was Irish cream, cinnamon something, and caramel pecan. And there was like that much in each of them. I just dumped them all in the same one. I just love gomming. I don't know. I think I get it from my dad when I was a kid. Oh my gosh. So my mom owned a Christian bookstore. And when Dad was left with us girls and cooking, he loved bacon bits. I don't think they had real bacon bits back then. They may have had a few, but he liked the imitation bacon bits. That would be in everything. Everything. Green beans, normal, fine, like that. He'd put them in baked beans. He'd put them probably in applesauce. Anything he made, everything he made, it had a whole bunch of those bacon bits in there. We always hated Mom. Oh, anyway, so Mom owned a Christian bookstore, and she would go on these conventions once a year with her business partner, who was actually a cousin's wife, who then her son and me were neighbors and best friends when we were kids. But anyway, so when Mom would go out of town, it was usually like a 3-day trip kind of thing. I'm here to tell you, we'd be like, Mom, make something before you leave. Because she'd make something like chicken or rice casserole. And then he'd go to warm it up and throw bacon bits on it. Which now as an adult, I'd be like, ooh, that'd be good. But as a kid, you didn't want bacon pieces and everything. Bacon bits. The fake bacon. Didn't want that and everything. Anyway, bless his little heart. He tried his best. So... all right, I love y'all. I'll see you at lunchtime. What am I bringing? We'll see if it makes it. We'll see. Now, lunch is fine. But I am on the very last of my 80-20. I put the rest in the freezer. But I'm in the deep freeze. But I'm on the last of the defrosted ones. I don't know. The color is starting to turn gray. I think it's been out for a week, maybe a week and a half. I have no idea. But I'll smell it tonight. And I'm either going to have the 80-20 tonight for supper, or we're going to start our 93% tonight. We're going to find out which one it is. But yeah, so that much I know. All right, I got to go. Bye. It's 7:06, and I have 7 minutes to be at work by 8 o'clock. I got to go. Oh, did I tell you about the scale? I stepped on it. Yeah, I like collecting data. I have to remind myself, that, Terry, this is not a reflection of how you're doing. So Sunday morning, I stepped on the scale. I was, after the family reunion, I was 179, like 0.8, like almost 180. So then I didn't do it yesterday. And then today's Tuesday. I like saying Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. And it was 176.8. So I'm down 3 pounds of fluid since Sunday morning. And so in 2 days. So, and I know there's still some more fluid to go, but it takes a whole week or maybe longer. We'll see. But anyway, so yeah, well, that's what I know. All right. I better shut up. Bye. I am hungry Jack today. Holy smokes. And it's a little stuffy in here. I wish I knew if it wasn't going to rain. I mean, I know it's clear. It's clear all the way around, but I took a walk with Miss Leslie. That was a good time. She's got grandkids and they're in town, 4 of them from Florida, and then 2 of them live close by, and they're over at her house, all of them today, peaches and cream, Zevia. So got my burger from last night. I know I seasoned it. You just can't see it. But that's what I'm eating. So here we go. Hi. I had a chat with the Chat GPT last night. I told it how
I'm like, who am I? I don't know. I like things I used to not like. And it said, don't think of it as something was wrong or something was different. Think of it as that's what Terri back then needed to survive. I'm like, all right. Oh. Sorry. Hot. So it said to think of it as going forward, think of things out of curiosity. You know, Terri at 340 pounds was surviving a different way. You know, she couldn't have taken these long walks because of pain. She didn't like heat because she had her own extra insulation. So now, Terri that's 54 has matured differently than the Terri at 47. Not just matured, but I mean has different things. And so it said, as I try new things, I need to look at them. Well, that ain't helping. I need to look at them with curiosity instead of, hang on. Yeah, let's get that air going. Look at them with curiosity. I wonder if I'll like that at this point. Instead of saying, I don't like the heat. I don't like to walk. Look at it as, wow, I might have a different opinion of this at 54 years old and 175 pounds. So that's what I'm going to try to do, is try to be a little more open in life, open-minded. That's all I know. I love y'all, and I'll see you next thing. Oh yeah, it's did I tell you it's 11:40 or 10:46? I'm starving. We're going out to eat I gotta make that. Ooh, I'm so glad I said that. I gotta make a poll. We're going out to eat Friday, and the team will get to vote on where we go. So I don't know where we're going. Bye. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all what I do with my frozen. Hang on. I wanted to zoom out. With my frozen gelatin. So I freeze it. And so when I first pull it out of the freezer, it's a rock hard. But see how it's starting to slushy up? It's more like shaved ice. But anyway, I put it in my lunchbox in the morning. And I think it's like 1:30, 2 o'clock. But see how it's starting to shave apart? So then I pull out my favorite packet. I swear I just felt the mist. But there's no... And I just sprinkle. Just go sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. This is why my tongue was blue the other day. Sprinkle. Oh, dang it. Hey, now, Win, that ain't funny. All right. So, then. Okay, now hold on. I'll show you. I know it's going to be an awkward angle, but just. So then, I go like this. Hold up. Now my car's going to turn blue. And then I go, Had to blow all my stuff off. Yeah. It's a homemade one. So now, see, this is what I'm going to eat. This is what I'm going to eat as my afternoon snack. It's 1 tablespoon of gelatin with, I think, 3 or 4 cups of water and some flavor pack. I done told y'all we were supposed to get rain. It was just a downpour a while ago. I got a confession, y'all. I done something. I went to Walmart without you. Not only that, I put my groceries away. It wasn't a big, very much of a haul or anything. I mean, it was my weekly stuff, but it wasn't, but I needed to get it done, so I kind of had to. And it wasn't really big. Yeah, so I cheated on y'all. But it was stuff like collagen, my fat-free cheese that I love so much. Hang on just a second. The cheese I love so much. I had to get some heavy cream for me and the dogs. I don't know, and some coffee stuff. So
I did. I cheated on y'all. But just know I was thinking of you when I was there. So what have I got today? Well, I'm going to say a third. That's just what I'm going to say. Because there's 8 pieces. And I eat 3 in the evening and 5 tomorrow. So 3/8. Does that go round down to anything? Ziggy. Never mind, Ziggy. So it's 3/8. Because I cut it into 8 pieces. It's a little bit.
You're talking about fractions. Yep, if you cut something into 8 pieces and take 3 of them, you've got 3/8.
Thanks, Ziggy. Thank you, Ziggy.
Thank you so much. You're the bee's knees.
I'm the bee's knees. So I have 3/8 of the burger. Got a piece of some fat-free cheese and a sprinkle of bacon pieces in there. I showed you already, didn't I? I don't remember. But anyway, there it is. It's good.
Here is more on Acer Nitro V17 AI gaming laptop AMD
Ziggy.
Ryzen 7 260 processor.
Ziggy, stop. I don't need a laptop. Ziggy, we don't have to talk no more, okay? You go back to sleep now, please.
All right, catch you later.
Now, maybe we can have a conversation. I sure never said nothing about laptop, did I? I don't think I said nothing about the laptop. I don't know. Bless her little cotton picking heart. Time to catch up on all y'all's videos. Oh yeah, this one. I'm excited about this one. It's banana. So Keto Chow has a banana. And Keto Chow has a chocolate peanut butter. So this is keto, half banana and half chocolate peanut butter. Yes, ma'am. It's the Elvis. I like to call it the Elvis. It's the bananas. Hey, where the monkeys? People say we monkey around. My mama's texting. I gotta go. I love you, people. Have a good day. Happy Thursday. Oh, tonight's pool night for you people, but not for me.